Let's talk about making money in a way that doesn't make you feel like you're glued to a 9 to 5. You might think getting extra cash requires huge amounts of effort or expertise, but that's not always the case. There are actually lazy ways to start making money that don't require a fancy degree or years of experience. Think of it as working smarter, not harder. Let's break down some beginner-friendly ways you can start earning extra without burning yourself out. One of the easiest ways to start making money. Tap into the gig economy. With options like food delivery, ride-sharing, and freelance platforms, it's easier than ever to make cash on your own schedule. This is especially handy if you want to make money on the side without making a big commitment. Apps like DoorDash, Uber, and Fiverr allow you to make money in a way that fits your time and your energy level. If you want to work only a few hours a week, you can. If you want to earn more, you can easily scale up. For the truly lazy money makers, consider taking surveys or testing websites. It might sound basic, but many companies are willing to pay for your opinion or feedback on their sites. Websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and user testing can help you get started, and all you have to do is answer some questions or try out a website for a few minutes. Sure, it won't make you rich overnight, but it's a simple way to add a few extra dollars to your pocket without a lot of effort. If you want to go a bit deeper into the lazy money-making path, passive income options are where it's at. Passive income means you set something up once and let it continue to earn money over time with minimal effort. One option is affiliate marketing, where you promote a product or service and earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your link. This could mean sharing products you love on social media or even creating a blog or website dedicated to a specific niche. If you can create good content that people trust, you can start earning commissions on products you barely have to think about once the content is posted. Renting out your stuff is another lazy way to make money that's often overlooked. Have an extra room? List it on Airbnb. Got a camera you don't use all the time? Rent it out? Car sitting idle in the garage? Look into Turo or similar platforms. The key is to make money on things you already own and aren't fully using. It's about turning dead assets into a little income stream with minimal work on your end. For those who enjoy more creative work but still want to keep things easy, consider print-on-demand services. You can design t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without touching any inventory or shipping. Websites like Printful and Redbubble make it simple to upload a design and they handle the rest. You can create designs that appeal to a niche audience or just use funny phrases or art styles you enjoy. Every time someone buys a product with your design, you get paid, and all you had to do was create the design once. Another surprisingly easy way to make money. Start a YouTube channel or a podcast. You don't have to be a pro or spend hours editing. Many successful creators started by simply talking about things they love or know a lot about. If you build an audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Plus, it's the kind of thing that can grow over time. You might start small, but consistent posting and relatable content can gradually lead to significant earnings. Lazy money making also includes selling digital products. Think of templates, planners, or even ebooks that people can download instantly. If you're good at organizing things or have a knack for design, platforms like Etsy and Gumroad are great places to start. You can create something once and sell it repeatedly without any additional work on your end. Imagine waking up to find that you made money in your sleep. Now that's the ultimate lazy goal. Don't forget about cashback apps and loyalty programs either. Apps like Rakuten, Honey, and Aboda offer cashback rewards for purchases you already make. It's like getting paid to shop, and the money starts to add up over time. These small lazy wins can snowball into real savings over time, especially if you're a regular shopper. Investing is another lazy way to grow wealth, though it does come with risks. Start with something simple, like a robo-advisor, which manages your investments automatically. You don't have to spend hours researching stocks or reading financial reports. Let the technology handle that part. Apps like Betterment and Wealthfront make investing easy for beginners, and it's a way to passively build wealth over time without needing to get to hands-on. Create an online course or workshop. If you have knowledge in any area, from cooking to coding to pet care, consider creating a simple online course. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy let you design and host courses with ease. Once you upload your content, it can keep earning for you as long as people are enrolling. This upfront work lets you enjoy passive income later on without the need for constant upkeep. Sell stock photos or art. If you have a smartphone, you have a camera, and you might already have dozens of great photos saved. Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow you to upload photos or digital art and pay you each time someone downloads your work. This can become a steady income stream if you've got a keen eye for capturing things people want to use. Make use of cashback and rewards credit cards. Credit card rewards are another effortless way to save and even make money if used responsibly. By paying off your balance in full each month, you can take advantage of cashback or travel rewards programs. These rewards can add up quickly, especially if you use the card for regular purchases you'd be making anyway, like groceries or gas. Offer simple consulting or coaching. If you're a jack of all trades, consider offering consulting services in your areas of expertise. It could be something as simple as offering career advice, helping people with budgeting, or providing basic fitness tips. The best part: you don't need a formal setup. Many consultants offer sessions through video calls, making it flexible and easy to manage. Participate in online focus groups. Focus groups pay you for giving feedback on products, services, or ads. Companies are always on the lookout for different perspectives, and you don't need any experience to join. Look up sites like Respondent or user interviews to find opportunities that fit your schedule. Use your skills to create templates. Do you have experience with writing, design, or planning? Try creating templates that others can use, like resume templates, budget trackers, meal planners, or even digital journals. Sites like Etsy allow you to sell digital downloads, so once the product is up, it requires little to no further work on your end. Rent out unused space. Do you have a garage or storage space you're not using? Consider renting it out to people in need of storage. Apps like Neighbor allow you to list available spaces, and people can rent them for things like boats, extra furniture, or even document storage. It's an easy, low-maintenance way to earn without much effort. Flip items for profit. If you enjoy browsing thrift stores or online marketplaces, flipping items can be surprisingly lucrative. Look for gently used furniture, electronics, or collectibles and resell them at a profit. It's a low-cost way to start making money and can be done casually on your own schedule. Sell low-maintenance merchandise. Print on demand isn't just for t-shirts. You can design mugs, tote bags, notebooks, and more. Create a few simple designs, upload them to a print-on-demand site like Printful or Zazzle, and let the site handle production and shipping. You don't hold any inventory, and you earn a cut every time someone makes a purchase. Invest in high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit CDs. It might not be a massive income, but parking your money in high-yield savings accounts or CDs lets it grow passively. Many online banks offer attractive rates, and though it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's still a way to passively earn without much thought or risk. Virtual assistant VA services on a flexible schedule. If you enjoy small organizational tasks like email management or scheduling, consider offering virtual assistant services. Many business owners and busy professionals need help with day-to-day tasks but only require a few hours per week. You can do it remotely, set your own hours, and make money with minimal effort if you enjoy routine tasks. Create and sell ebooks. If writing is something you enjoy, create a short ebook or guide on something you know well. It could be anything from a recipe book to a guide on budget travel. Publish it on Amazon Kindle or sell it on Gumroad, and each sale becomes passive income. Peer-to-peer lending. If you're willing to take a small risk, peer-to-peer lending can be a way to earn through interest. Platforms like Lending Club let you invest small amounts in personal loans, and you receive payments as borrowers repay them. It's a way to earn without needing to handle the work yourself, though there's some risk involved. Set up a drop servicing business, similar to freelancing but on autopilot. Drop servicing involves selling a service like web design or social media management without doing it yourself. You act as the middleman, finding clients and outsourcing the actual work to freelancers at a lower rate, keeping the profit. Finally, think about skills you can monetize with minimal effort. If you speak another language, try tutoring or language exchange apps. Good at math. There are platforms where you can help students with their homework. The trick is to find what you're good at and turn it into a small side hustle that doesn't require tons of prep or time commitment. Whether you have a few hours a week or a few minutes here and there, these options make it easy to earn without making your schedule busier. When you start with small, lazy steps, you might be surprised at just how much you can add to your income with minimal effort. In the end, lazy doesn't mean doing nothing. It means being smart with your time and resources.